Dwell's kitchen containers are clear, which reminds you to restock. What makes our containers so special? Unlike others, they are rectangular, not square. More room in the pantry and fridge. Plus, the plastic is BPA-free, which means no chemicals will be seeping into your favourite snacks. Our strong material remains crack-free, no matter how cold you get it. Dwell's Kitchen's lid lock handle allows simple one-flip opening and shutting for the perfect seal. No fumbling with the whole lid, one simple, easy pull. Easy to open, easy to seal, and with a strong quality handle that, unlike other containers on the market, doesn't break. Its rectangular shape makes it easy to grip with one hand. Every container and every size fits perfectly together. Our lids and containers are designed to be stacked nicely and washable and easy to clean. Airtight, with a silicone seal that's so effective it can hold liquid when turned upside down. Our rectangular containers come in both black and white lid colours and in several different sets. Dwell's Kitchen Containers.
This is opened, the fourth one. So how can you have airtight? It doesn't even meet. This kind of comes and goes. Anyway.
I'm ready to go home. Farewell, my good man. See you later, baby son.
There's no way 4 for 4 that can be airtight when it does not meet. And if you happen to get it a little bit, of course I can't do it now. Yeah, I can push on it that way, and it opens that up. It doesn't meet. So, airtight, I would say definitely not. And yes, I'm returning it. Up to you.